If you need to request a refund from Trip.com, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review the refund policy. Check Trip.com's refund policy on their website to understand the eligibility criteria for refunds. This will help you determine if your booking qualifies for a refund. Step 2. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your booking, including your confirmation number, the email address used for the booking, and any relevant details about the charges. Step 3. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website and log into your account. If you made the booking as a guest, you can also access your booking using the confirmation number. Step 4. Initiate the refund request. Navigate to the My Bookings section, select the booking you want to refund, and look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts to submit your request. Step 5. Monitor your email. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Trip.com regarding your request. They may require additional information or provide confirmation of your refund status. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Trip.com. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.